Hello, students. This is the first class after your half yearly exam. I hope you all give your exam well. So, in this class, we are going to start a new chapter of living science, that is clothes. Okay, here in this chapter, we are going to learn about various types of clothes, their uses, how they made. Okay, look at this picture. Some types of uh, clothes are given here and the names are given at the top. You have to write their names at the right blanks. I hope you all can write the names properly. Next, do you know when these clothes are worn? Write a sentence on each. Okay, you have to write one sentence about these clothes. Okay, like this is this this is a pair of boots, and you have to write a sentence about the boots. So let's start the chapter. Like all other basic needs, clothing is one of our basic needs. Okay, we need clothing as well as we need food, water, shelter. They are all our basic needs, and clothes is also our basic needs. Okay, in long ago the early men wears cover their bodies with bark of trees or leaves or dead or with skin of dead animals. Okay, and as the time passed, the humans have learned how to make fine clothes, and they began to wear fine clothes like that. অনেক দিন আগে আর্লি ম্যান যারা ছিল তারা তাদের বডিকে কভার করতো এরকম গাছের ছাল বা পাতা দিয়ে এবং বা ডেড অ্যানিমালদের স্কিন দিয়ে, এবং সময়ের সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তারা ফাইন ক্লোথস বানাতে শিখে গেল. Now we are going to learn about the importance of our of clothes. Okay, look at this picture. Various types of clothes are here, and the first importance that our of our clothes, that it gives us protection from various weather conditions, like it protects us from heat, it protects us from rain, it protects us from cold weather, and it absorbs sweat, and it also maintains our body temperature. And the clothes also protect us from burns or scratches, so that we may get from accident. And we wear different clothes, like we wear raincoat in rainy season during the monsoon, we wear cotton clothes during the summer, and we wear woolen clothes in winter. ক্লোথসের ইম্পর্টেন্সটা হলো, ক্লোথস আমাদের নানা রকম ওয়েদার কন্ডিশন থেকে আমাদের প্রোটেক্ট করে, আর আমরা নানা রকম পোশাক পরি ওয়েদার কন্ডিশন অনুযায়ী. Next importance is safety. Okay, we wear different types of clothes during different situation, and these types of clothes protect us from various situations. Like you can see in the picture, there these men are firefighters, and they wear a special clothes, and it is made of asbestos, a material called asbestos. This material do not catch fire. Okay, this type of clothes do not catch fire. And cyclists wear helmets for their safety, and police and army men wear bulletproof jackets. They these all types of clothes are worn for safety. আমরা সেফটির জন্য নানা রকম পোশাক পরি, যেমন এটা হচ্ছে ফায়ার ফাইটার, এদের স্পেশাল পোশাক আছে, এটা আগুন লাগে না। সাইক্লিস্টরা হেলমেট পরে, এবং যারা পুলিশম্যান আছে তারা বুলেট প্রুফ জ্যাকেট পরেন। ওকে, নেক্সট ইম্পর্টেন্স ইজ উই ইউজ we use our clothes as uniform. Different occupations, occupations have different uniform. Like cook, you can see we can easily recognize that man is a cook by its dress. It is a crossing guard, it is a doctor, it is a policeman, it is a fireman, it is nurse, it is a teacher, it is engineer, and it is a player. Okay, by their uniform we can easily recognize them. So every occupation have their own uniforms. Okay, and you are students, you have also had uniforms, and different schools have different types of uniforms to differentiate them. নেক্সট ইম্পর্টেন্স হচ্ছে ইউনিফর্ম। আমরা ইউনিফর্ম দেখে নানা অকুপেশনাল লোক বুঝতে পারি, এবং তোমরা স্টুডেন্ট, প্রত্যেক স্কুলের আলাদা আলাদা ইউনিফর্ম আছে, যাতে বোঝা যায় তারা অন্য অন্য স্কুলের স্টুডেন্ট। So different schools have different uniforms. Next importance is sanitation. Look at this picture. This is a doctor, and he or she wear a special clothes during operation, and this clothes, she wears gloves, mask, and it prevents infection and contamination, and these are the special dress that doctors or surgeons wear during the operation. এটা হচ্ছে ডক্টরদের ড্রেস, যখন তারা অপারেশন করে তখন পরে, এটা ইনফেকশন রোধ করে। নেক্সট ইম্পর্টেন্স ইজ identification. Okay, in India every region have different types of clothes during according to their culture. You look here, it is a picture of people who live in Kashmir. Their dress is different from that of people living in Kerala, because of the weather condition. Weather condition in Kashmir is different from Kerala, so that's why they wear different type of clothes. Okay, and this clothes is also also represent their culture. ইন্ডিয়ার নানা রকম রিজনে নানা রকম আলাদা আলাদা পোশাক পরা হয়, যেমন এটা হচ্ছে কাশ্মীরের পোশাক, এটা হচ্ছে কেরালার পোশাক, কেরালায় যারা বাস করে তাদের। নেক্সট, নাও we are going to learn about the materials by which the clothes are made. This is called fiber. Fiber are long, thin and hair-like threads. Threads are called hair-like threads are called fibers, and by fibers we made fabric. Fabrics are these are called fabrics. Okay, and by which we made our clothes. And these fibers turned into fabric by weaving and knitting. And this fiber can be natural or man-made. We can easily tell that a man-made fiber is jute, cotton. They are natural fiber, and man-made fibers are nylon, etc. And once the fiber is made, it is stitched to make clothes. Okay, weaving is a method by which fabrics are made by crossing two or more fibers or threads together. ওয়েভিংটা হচ্ছে বোনা, যেটাকে দুটো বা তার বেশি ফাইবার একসাথে মিলিয়ে বোনা হয়। লেটস সি। Next process is knitting. It is a process in which we need to what is called stitches. Okay, and by those we can make clothes by interlocking loops or a single or more long threads. নিটিংটা হচ্ছে আমরা হাতে যে কাপড় বোনা হয় সেটাকে বলা হয় নিটিং। Let's see the video. Okay students, that's all for now. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you.